Changing country in the Uber app is a feature that allows users to switch their location and use the service in a different country. To change country in the Uber app, open the app and navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, select the Settings option and then tap on the Account option. Look for the Country or Region option and select it to view a list of available countries. Choose the country you want to switch to from the list. You may be prompted to confirm the country change by entering your password or other verification details. Once you have changed your country, the app will display prices and services available in the new country. Keep in mind that some services may not be available in all countries. It is also important to note that changing country in the Uber app does not change your payment method or other account settings. If you are traveling to a new country, it is a good idea to change your country in the Uber app to get accurate pricing and service information. Additionally, some countries may have different Uber services such as Uber Black or Uber Pool. So it is worth checking the app to see what services are available in your new location. It is also worth noting that you can only change your country to a country where Uber operates. If Uber does not operate in the country you are trying to switch to, you will not be able to change your country. Overall, changing country in the Uber app is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps, and it can be very useful when traveling to a new country.